Now, yesterday, the shares of Nio finished the day up over 5.91%. This resulted in the shares of Nio to finish at $8.91. Now, what caused all this surging or the rising of the Nio stock price yesterday was, of course, the Mercedes-Benz and, of course, Nio's potential partnership, which, of course, surfaced once again yesterday, which that, ladies and gents, resulted, I personally think it is one of the things or big things that resulted in the shares of Nio to finish up almost at 6%. Now, so many of the people are really looking forward to this partnership, though both Nio and Mercedes-Benz have sort of like said that they know nothing about the deal, but someone with a close relationship from sort of like the Nio is the one that said that these talks have been taking place or have been happening since the beginning of this year, and that or this kind of news, ladies and gents, are the ones that might result onto Nio and Mercedes-Benz going into a partnership, though it is not yet confirmed by both companies. Although a deal is not yet struck, it looks like it is something that has been happening for some time from beginning of this year, which is part of the reason why we saw, of course, the share price finishing the day up over 5 or almost 6%. Now, after market hours, we continue seeing the Nio stock going up or rising in terms of the share price, because after market hours, the Nio stock further increased or went up by over 1%, which is something that, of course, must just show you that, of course, today chances are we might continue seeing the Nio stock price surging. Now, before we dig deep into this video, you already know that this video is an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I would really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about Nio's reason behind us seeing Nio going up by almost 6% yesterday. So if you are a Nio fan or would like to invest into this stock, hit the likes button, subscribe, because on this channel, Nio is one of the stocks that I talk a lot about, because I believe in their fundamentals and their future prospects. And I know that though we might get this deal confirmed soon, but somewhere along the line, I personally believe that there are many car companies that are going to want to partner with Nio, especially with the kind of technology that Nio is offering to those that buy the Nio cars. I mean, battery swapping station technology, you will know that it is a technology that is only offered by Nio when you look into EV cars. And this, ladies and gents, it is something that will definitely attract more and more companies wanting to come to use this kind of a technology, because it's one of a kind in terms of you going to stand in the long queues, or instead of you going to charge your car for an hour, you can just swap in less than 4 minutes using this very same battery swapping station technology. So yes, I know that Mercedes-Benz and Nio, though they have not reached or struck a deal yet, but I know that along the line or somewhere along the lines, ladies and gents, the chances are very high that we might see them striking a deal based on the kind of infrastructure or the kind of technology that Nio is offering or that Nio is deploying, so that their, of course, consumers or those that buy the Nio cars enjoy. So yes, one of the reasons why we saw an almost 6% surging in terms of on the Nio share prices today, it was because of the news once again emerging of Nio and Mercedes-Benz partnership, which both companies have denied those of course talks. That the article that we read yesterday, they said that they have been taking place from beginning of this year. So yeah, I'm very excited about the Nio stock, and I believe that, like I said, one way or the other, we'll get companies coming and wanting to partner with Nio to use this kind of technology, or to use some of Nio's technology like battery swapping station. Now, on the other side, the other news that we read from Nio is that Nio has just signed a partnership with Woolworth. Woolworth, you will know that it is a company that generates roughly around 21 billion, or that is a total revenue on a yearly basis of around $21 billion. And to get to see this big company partnering with Nio, it is good news, because, ladies and gents, part of the reason or what Wolf will help Nio with, ladies and gents, is of course improving their logistics efficiency, develop its after sales services, and other things, which is something that, of course, it is a good partnership, looking at the fact that this is not just a company that, ladies and gents, it is small, but it's a company that is quite big, and they have over 400 branches worldwide. So this is something that is good, or it is a good partnership for Nio, especially looking at the fact that also the logistics side. On the logistics side of the Nio business, they will be helping Nio to reach efficiency, or to be efficient when it comes to logistics, which is something that is quite good, right? So I'm very excited about this kind of news, and both these news, I personally believe, in my opinion, that they are the ones that made the shares of Nio to finish the day yesterday almost at 6%. So Nio, one of the things that we've been seeing from them, which is not surprising, is they've been making strategic partnerships with big companies, or with companies globally, trying to make sure that, of course, those companies help them to reach their targets or goals. I mean, part of some of the big deals that we know from Nio is the strategic partnership of Nio with Shell, which was announced back in 2021, where Nio is deploying some of their battery swapping stations into Shell's gas stations. And so far that is working, because, ladies and gents, the amount of time that you would spend to fill your car with gas is the amount of time that you would go and swap the battery in your car at a Shell gas station. So this is a good initiative, and these are the kind of deals, a partnership that we've been seeing Nio do. I mean, in Europe, you'll know that there is also a company, or a taxi fleet company in Europe, that I think a month or two ago we read wonderful news of a strategic partnership there, or a deal that Nio struck with that company, saying that they will use their car for taxi fleet next year, because they are targeting to change their entire fleet to EV cars, which Nio, it is of course the brand which they chose that they will do that. So they've been partnerships, or so many partnerships that we've read about Nio together with other companies, and I believe that and I believe that there are so many other partnerships that we'll see Nio, of course, striking with either EV companies or any other company that will help them to get to their target. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click the notification bell directly to get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you buy Nio for the very first time, it is always good or wise for you to do your own due diligence, so that you are comfortable when you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.